If you're using an Android phone, sometimes on your lock screen you'll receive lock screen notifications. But one thing is, you might not want to completely turn off these lock screen notifications, yet you may want to disable them for certain apps. In this video, we'll tell you how to disable lock screen notifications for certain apps only. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings, you'll see an option for Notification, or Notifications. According to brands, there'll be some changes. I'm using a Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, settings looks like this. Anyways, click on that. After that, here you can see the lock screen option. Click on lock screen. When you click on that, you'll see every application. From this, select the application from which you don't want lock screen notifications. For example, I want to disable lock screen notifications for this application. For that, just turn this off. After turning it off, you won't receive lock screen notifications from that specific application. From other applications, you'll still receive lock screen notifications.
So this way, you can easily disable lock screen notifications of certain apps only on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.